Hey everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today, I'm showing you 4 super useful Gmail features hiding in plain sight right here in the Compose window. Most people don't even notice this menu bar, but once you do, it will boost your email game fast. Naoto was shocked when he saw it, right?
Yes, it really did.
Yes, I show you what is that. So let's get started. First, newsletter layouts. Turn emails into beautiful announcements. Ever wanted to send clean, designed emails like company updates or custom news? In the Compose window, click Choose Layout. Pick a template like announcement, hit Edit Layout. You'll see a full editor like docs or slides. Customize the title, logo, text, buttons, even links. Hit Insert and boom, a rich newsletter is embedded. Try sending it to yourself. It looks clean and polished.
Wow, it really looks great.
Perfect for internal comms or outreach. No design tools needed. Second, templates save your go-to emails. Aren't you tired of retyping the same replies?
Yes, I really do.
Yeah, click the 3 dots. Templates, pick one. As a recipient and send it that quick. Even in corporate environments where extensions can't be used. You can use this with peace of mind because it's a standard Gmail features, right? To set up, go to Settings, see All Settings, Advanced tab, Enable Templates. Create a draft, 3 dots, Templates, save draft as template. So pro tip, save 3 to 4 of your most used replies to save words each week. Third, switch signatures instantly. Need different signatures for client partners or personal emails? Click the pen icon in the Compose menu. Choose a save signature or no signature if needed. Set them up via Settings, General, Signatures. You can preset defaults for new emails or replies and switch them on the fly. Simple, but super powerful for context switching.
This one I'm using quite a lot.
Yeah. First, insert calendar availability. Skip the back and forth. You can now suggest meeting times directly from Gmail. This one's a game changer. Click Setup Time to Meet. Offer times you are free. Your calendar pops up. Choose any open slots. Set meeting duration, example 30 minutes. Select times across multiple days. Hit Next, give it a title, and click Add to Email. Your recipient sees clickable time buttons. Just pick and confirm. It auto-adds to both calendars. No appointment page needed. Woo!
This is great. Much easier to set up the meeting times.
Yes, exactly. That's it. 4 hidden Gmail features that will save you time and boost productivity. Try them once and you will wonder how you live without them. If this helped, please like and subscribe. More Google Workspace tips coming soon. See you in the next time. Bye bye.